Closures in JavaScript is very easy. If I create a function and call it world, within its scope, if I declare a variable water and assign it the value of H2O, let me print its value. When I execute the function, you can see the value is printed. And if I run this in debug mode, you can see the variable water is available in the local scope. But this variable is lost after the function is finished executing. If I check water variable now, it will be not defined. Let us now create a function world with water in it. But now this function creates a nested function country. Function country has access to the water property given to it by world using scope chain. So let us print it on the console from country. This time the world will return the country when invoked. Let us run the code. So call the world, get the country and call the country. And you can see country still has access to the water property, and this is using closures. If I put a debug point over here and call the country again, you can see here that there is an object called closure which has the name world in it, and this is where the function country was able to access the water. So this is closure, the ability of a function to remember the variables in the parent scope even after the parent has closed. As you can see, the world has already finished executing and it is closed. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos.